Share this video, guys. Share this video, we'll get a lot to say. Guys, power tap on your screen. Go out for national peace to reign.
Baba Tolo,
video, guys. I'll tap on your screen.
Naso chiuso. Nuovo Vic Sinex. Libera il naso chiuso in 25 secondi fino a 12 ore. Così puoi tornare a respirare meglio. Nuovo Vic Sinex. È arrivato il Black Friday di Enel. Scegli l'offerta a luce e gas da web e avrai 300 euro di bonus in bolletta. Cosa aspetti? Vai su enel.it.
8 rimane all'8. 8 è un ghiottone. Dagli da mangiare. Più mangia e più ingrassa.
Unstoppables. Aggiungi le perle profumate prima di ogni lavaggio per un tornado di freschezza. Un profumo così intenso che ti accompagna per tutta la giornata. E dura fino a sera. Le nuove Unstoppables. Un tornado di freschezza non stop.
Nobody is talking about the atrocity of Igbinedion for Ovia. I don't know what is really happening. The full Okada. Now Igbinedion don't carry the full Okada. Okada will be say the indigenous now they not get land. Okada now let that road where you see so if you enter Okada, then they see the backyard, the back. Igbinedion don't carry all of them. Igbinedion build university for Okada. Igbinedion collect all the land with the Okada for Okada people hand. The one we refuse to give Igbinedion a land, the one we refuse to sell dash Igbinedion a land, Igbinedion they use force to collect their land. It go still push them for prison. A lot of our people are in prison for their own rights because of say they not get money, because they are living the village, they are poor. Igbinedion go use the power, shocking them for CID. Carry them go prison, carry them go Oko. Nothing they happen for Edo states. For Edo state at this kind of time of the day, Igbinedion go see the oppressed people. As Igbinedion get money, reach 90 years, 9 days now. I don't know what Igbinedion still fight for life. You get aeroplane, all the aeroplane now, no one they walk again. All the hella, all the Okada hella is now rat the driver now. Rat and grass cutter. Now the driver for airport for there. Igbinedion hella. Now they for the Kira beats. Would they pass inside Bebuya community? If you just pass Bebuya, pass Akodes Church, enter inside moat, you will just inside airport. Carry shovel, carry digger, carry cutlass, go kill rabbit for inside hellline of Igbinedion. Igbinedion acquire a lot. A lot of the people who work for Igbinedion, Igbinedion they pay them. Igbinedion not causa. Igbinedion they pay salary. If you do anyhow, they'll carry you go get room. Igbinedion atrocity was too much. All the evil Igbinedion do, Igbinedion supposed to know by now. He's supposed to be maintain a way. Because if you come up for social media, we go disgrace you. You can't use old days. They go use old days to good for you. Old days, when they're celebrate you, you can't use under the deceiving salt. Because of land. I will play you guys a video of a young boy crack commands. How Igbinedion to oppress his father. Because his father poor. Because the guy cannot get money, Igbinedion they oppress the man badly. Since 20 years, that's the man started to go prison. They put him in prison. Because of the man property, in your property, in your land. Not be everybody wants to sell land to Igbinedion. You know, Okada. They demolish people land.
And they say they will put everything.
This is the message to Chief Sir Gabriel Osoworo Igbinedion, founder of Igbinedion University.
See, these are people from. See, these are people from. See, my man new farm. And they see everything. Our new farm, what they suffer, they do. And they see when I see and they see I said they will put everything.
This is the message to Chief.
Nigeria, when I see, every man carry caterpillar come and father land. He come and papa land. They bulldoze down and they grade everything. Since how many years now? Since how many years? They never bomb me, oh. They never bomb me. again. Sir, now for where they train us, go school, finish the everyday so. Sir, you see come again, carry grade again, go the grade the man land again, go the grade the man property. You don't pay the grade down, oh. As a mother start again, oh. As a mother start again, oh.
See, these are my people from. See, my man new farm. And they see everything. Our new farm, what they suffer, they do. And they see when I see and they see I said they will put everything.
This is the message to Chief Sir Gabriel Osoworo Igbenidian, founder of Igbenidian University. There are serious accusations echoing across the land, accusations that you, a man already blessed with wealth, titles, and influence, are still reaching into the lives of ordinary people to seize what little they have left. If these claims are true, then I must ask you openly and without fear. What exactly do you intend to do with all this land you are taking? Will you carry these properties to heaven? Will the graves of those you dispossess rise and follow you with their land titles in hand? Power is temporary. Wealth fades. Even a chief, even a knight, even a founder of great institutions will one day stand alone before the truth. And on that day, no convoy, no palace, no university, and no grabbed property will follow you. If these accusations hold any truth, then hear this clearly. A man who takes what is not his only borrows trouble. A man who tramples the poor builds a legacy of shame. A man who forgets justice will one day meet it face to face. It is not too late to choose honor over greed, compassion over intimidation, and fairness over exploitation. The world is watching. The people are speaking. And history remembers everything. What a shame.
Apokada youth, see, as a manager say, you know, get head.
Remembers everything. What a shame.
Apokada youth, see, as a manager say, you know, get head. When they use my head, they see him. If he say pull back, where they back him up, all of them go collect.
All right, so good.
For this community, that goes say all of us they prepare for war. Now they see her. We ready for this. All the cocoa, the plantain, everything. Where they sell farm. Now they will put. They sell the banana. So let's say we dey wait for war. As I say, as the elders of Okada say they don't go agree to move out, we the children will go do one-on-one for this community. Now they see everything. Now they see the tractor. Now they see her. I said make her the show now in case anything stop. All those elders when they support of a community, where say Okada no go rush. Say because they get money. Now they see her. When I see the tractor my way. Now they see her. When they see her well. When I see the tractor my well. All my cocoa farm. Then they are put.
Cocoa farm.
The new year farm where you do. Now they are put. Don't be say it's set. Now go say I don't complain. I complain. I say my poster for this group. If it's set, make una know. I just dey talk her because all those that way pull back, where pull body for her, where say make they do my part.
All right. Now don't see the whole scenario where they go for Okada. Wait, they do this one, this one get camera. Now a video now come out. Not be many way it be say they tell me for phone. You understand? Not be many we be say oh yeah. We be say my ear don't fool. Wait, they do for Okada. If they don't want to take everything for Okada, the biggest land grabber for Okada like Benedio. Do you know the funniest part? You know what they pay for that Okada so? This man Benedio so if he collect your land, he go build one small house for inside. Inside the bush for Okada, bush forest. As you don't use bulldozer grade everywhere finish so you go build like two small house. Build them for inside. Bro, believe me or not, antelope and grass cutter like go to sleep that house. You go that bush 2 to 3 years to come, it don't dey bushy, don't become deep forest. You when they do hunter, you should make it pass that before you hunt for that. You will come see small house for that place. That small house now, where we say animal they stay, rabbits they go to that house. If you do Okada Junction, see Okada Junction, see Usain Road. Because this one my place now where I come from. See Usain Road, see Okada, welcome to Okada Hairline. If you see that two lion where they Okada Junction, the two lion pose like this. Why this side like this now Usain Road now, road to Usain. You go see house for that Usain Road, that Usain Junction so, the junction between Usain and Okada. If you they come for new road, before you divert go Usain, you still come because that new road straight road now, straight to Okada, straight to Ogbese. Now Ogbese, now that road for go end. Now Ogbese, now be the boundary between Benin and Yoruba. That's the boundary, that's the border. Now that river that demarcates Benin and Yoruba land. If you did that Usain Junction, if you look bush like this by your left, you go see small house. Especially when dry season, when they spray fire for the inside bush, they put fire for the bush. You go see small house. Now who they stay that house? Now ram, goats, cow. Where Igbinedion collect for people hand. This land, so how I take collect this land? During the Igbinedion regime, Igbinedion meet Okada people because you know, so these people are farmer they be. And they are very poor. Igbinedion meet them, tell them, okay, don't worry. I will carry our children. Make everybody bring your daughter or your son, your first son or your first daughter, bring a come and carry them go abroad. Make them go work for abroad. Then they will give Igbinedion land, piece of land. They will cut acres of land for Igbinedion. Igbinedion will not carry your daughter come abroad for prostitution. Then when they bring your daughter come abroad for prostitution, his son as the governor, while the daughter-in-law as the first lady, which is iye-eki. They now also come abroad, come deport the same children. When their parents come abroad, in replacement of piece of land for Okada. The daughter-in-law now deport all the girls back to Nigeria to go start from square zero without no compensation. You understand? Now what Igbinedion do Okada people? Up to today, most of the land where the Okada, now Igbinedion get them. Igbinedion collect almost everybody with it. Now this one now when they talk, so this video where I showed her so, the papa now give her this land. That be the problem. And Igbinedion already see the setting of this land say, yeah, they there. He want grab this land by fire by force. Imagine this is 20 years. Now they arrest this man. They come. So they arrest and they come. Till now the man not old now. Igbinedion see follow the man they drag land. Igbinedion is 91 years old. Wanna tell me what is 91 years old man? See they grab land for. What is see they fire? Your children don't rule as governor. You don't want to rule as local government chairman. You don't want to rule as deputy. You don't want to rule as Ovia. You don't go for House of Rep. Even your grandchildren, your granddaughters, you did for House of Assembly. Natasha, what they call her? We want finish two-face so. Natasha want finish two-face so. Tell me any of Igbinedion daughter. No one talk of Igbinedion children. Igbinedion grandchildren where they suffer. Igbinedion see they get the mind, they inflict pain, sorrow in the heart of the commoners, the poor. The palace is not saying anything about it. Our palace kept mute. They don't say anything about it. You understand? Anybody they suffer, anybody they pass through things now, nobody will carry about to go palace again. Because you get it, you're not going to get justice. Better still, you bring it to social media. Bring it to social media. For you to carry a month and go palace, it is better you carry and go social media. If you meet president that will get good mind, they don't collect money for your hand. They will treat your matter. You get justice. The one where people say they like money, they want money, they go tell you, see how much you want to give me. They go help you treat them. The old situation of a those state now don't pass, be careful. It don't pass, be careful. Imagine a person like Esama being a land grabber in Benin, a chief in the palace. Nobody can talk. Then they will come and go say, chief, not a grab land. This young boy now, do video, they shout, they go inside bush, they collect land. You not going to stop the tractor. Who you want to go report to? Government, Okpeworo, will be slave to them. Oh, but this 8 years, Benin people go suffer. This 8 years, Benin people go suffer. Now, all the land will be say, Obaseki collect, Obaseki grab, Okpeworo they retrieve and back to them. Nice one. But mind you, if anybody in position or influence to Okpeworo grab your land, that's the end. Just get that one for mind. Make you know that one for mind. You know if you go meet Okpeworo and say, hey, someone grab your land. He not go answer you. He not go answer you. Any of the APC members, they're not going to answer you because why? Now they are away with that one. You see where we found ourselves this year? These 8 years. Now go hear story. Many people go sell their house for that Benin. They go sell their house, they'll go use and buy land for Sambisa Forest. Because the way they go now, it is better to build a house for Sambisa Forest than to build that for Edo State. When are they won now? Last year, say, nobody should build that in Edo State again. Edo State is not safe for the EDG. If you are a truth teller, you are not safe in Edo State. You are not safe in Edo State. As far as I said Tony Kabaka, Bobizwa, they sit there alive, they never die. My brother, forget them. Forget Edo State. Edo State is dead and alive. As far as those thugs, they sit there alive, they never die. Edo State is dead on arrival. Road not there. Nothing you are going to put there that's going where. You will get house for those things. Just if you get sense now, if you see one buy and 35 naira, sell them. May use the money to buy ice cream. But I tell you the truth. Because I did not even see any future in that Edo State anymore. If an illiterate can be a leader, a state where we have 66% of illiterate, an illiterate is not a leader, the country is gone, the state is finished. A state where somebody go commit violence, they go celebrate that person. This state is finished, this is gone. It's gone. Imagine as we speak now, 1 year plus, not ago now, almost 2 years is coming now. Governor never still think of doing one thing in those states than after Obaseki, 2017, Tinubu. That's what is just now the only work they do for the past 1 year plus now. The governor, this level governor, now the only work they do now for the past 1 year plus now. Now, 2017, when none of saying we think we reach 2017, never know. Now in 2017, they years thereafter. All governmental workers, they must put on Asiwaju to the book cap, come government house. And Obaseki don't rule, he don't come out. But the people, not Obaseki come out. They put Obaseki water mouth, don't they talk. The governor where they accept now. Nobody want to talk about the governor. The misconduct of the governor, nobody wants sanction her. Nobody want to talk her out. The APC miscreant presenters, they don't want to talk about their nuisance governor. The nuisance with the governor constitutes, nobody want to talk about them. A governor come out on a useless interview, a disgraceful interview. Governor just sit down for live video, they disgrace himself. I don't want to talk about them. Then they clap. God bless the governor. Edo is shining. Okpeworo for a reason. Aproko wonder. You don't greet the governor today. God bless Okpeworo. Not mind them. Edo is shining. They see the shame and disgrace when the governor give those state people. You see the shame and disgrace when the governor they give Edo people. And then they say, God bless the governor. Governor, don't mind them. Edo is shining. For the one that did so, when they tell us say the truth for inside house. But for social media now they deceive themselves. Inside house, when they tell us say the truth. Can you just imagine person like Apostle Casey, supposed to be pastor, who become a nuisance? I don't even know what they happen in those states. A supposed pastor now become a political nuisance, a political miscreant. Apostle Casey just become wacko crazy person. He? Opo no be smart yo. This politics don't be shy slow. No integrity for Edo people again. You see they even pay me pass. No Edo person not even get integrity. Both your Hanel, the chief, the so-called chiefs, and so-called social media live video presenters, they are not a nuisance. If they don't give them small money, they go join Okpeboro. Edo is shining. Edo is shining. You were there abroad where they make money. You they see the country where you they stay, how the country they weird organized. You go still solo to join the support nuisance. You go still solo the support Agberuzi government. You go still solo the support Godfatherism government. I don't get it. Okpeboro is a carbon copy. Okpeboro is a photostatic governor. The main governor who they don't say is ruling Edo State for the third time. Edo State is the only state where one particular governor is ruling for the third time, which is Adams Oshowole. Oshowole is ruling Edo State for the third time. He ruled in 8 years finish. Now he give us Falkneza may become governor for Edo State. Oshowole and Ize Yamu then bring Falkneza come Edo State may come rule Edo State. No, now see as my country rich. That's to let you know Oshowole is still ruling. Make una let Obasaki go rest in peace. Make una focus on the governor where they sit now. Leave what it concern. Obasaki don't do, you don't go. Make this guy do your own. Obasaki will get mad. What give Obasaki a here? What focus you Okpeboro? Make una teach Okpeboro what to do. 2027 will never reach. May let a dopo hear word for Asuwaju Tinubu. A city governor say if 2027 Tinubu no win, he go resign as governor. Which we all know say on the normal ground, Tinubu no go win. But now they go still do it in their own way. They go still do it in their own way. Make una chill. Was your basaki aye? Una give me come basaki they more popular. Una governor who are supposed to be popular. Una governor is not popular. It's a nuisance. Obaseki don't rule, don't go. For president, who does the hear of Lucky Bilejo again? Nobody hear of Lucky Bilejo again. Make una let Obaseki still be like that. You must start dragging that guy, making that guy look popular. He not work for those things. Fine and good. Una don't get the Messiah. Let the Messiah show us, okay, he is capable of working in those states. He is capable of changing those states to the next level. Madame Messiah, you know who? Oh, going again. I'm one of that beer. Let us see break table legs more. Make a break table legs more. I must see break table legs more. Why me mind me? I not sell anybody. Nobody they pay my bills. Let me break table legs me. Now governor. I do is shiny. Yeah, break table legs more. Yeah, we're breaking a who's jar. Oh yeah, I'm gonna share the video. Let's break the table leg. The remaining leg we can make break them. I do is shiny. Una not greet the governor this morning. Wait to when they watch me, before I call watch me, I don't greet the governor this morning. Governor don't greet her. I don't greet her good morning this morning. Una not greet the governor, bless no one go ask. My mom they say una want to demolish my house. I never greet the governor, I call the watchman. Oh yeah, but listen.
We cannot make 1 second without making a mistake. Okpeboro, according to that man, he said Okpeboro is 1 inches away of becoming an imbecile. I mean, Okpeboro has what they call a brain malfunctioning, medulla deficiency, a deficit of a proper matureness of a grown man. Okpeboro brain is like a 10 years old baby brain.
Huh?
Okpewuru is a mumuma.
Huh?
Okpewuru has no common sense.
Where?
Senator Monde Okpewuru has no common sense.
You say?
Okpewuru, according to that man, he said Okpewuru is 1 inches away of becoming an imbecile.
Oh, come
Malfunctioning. The deficit of a proper matureness of a grooming. Okpewuru brain is like. Okpewuru is a mumuma.
Eh?
Okpewuru has no common sense.
You say what?
Sense. Okpewuru, according to that man, he said Okpewuru is 1 inches away of becoming an imbecile. I mean, Okpewuru has what they call a brain malfunctioning.
Okay.
Medulla deficiency.
Okay. Medulla deficiency. A deficit.
A proper matureness of a grooming. Okpewuru brain is like a 10 years old baby brain.
Oh, look.
Okpewuru is a mumuma. Okpewuru has no common sense. Senator Monde Okpewuru has no common sense.
Now, so we see Amo. Do you really know who has no common sense? Now, this man, I know this man, so. Where will you get sense, person? You see, these are men in abroad who think they are now. When I go see all this people, the Peter person. These are men who say that they are abroad, but they don't get sense, common sense, not get. The same person after humiliating this man finish now. He get forum now. What we say? He dey support Okpewuru. He dey bribe presenter now with money. They pay presenter every month. Maybe they help and they clap Okpewuru. This man now, they pay live video presenter to be supporting Okpewuru. You see, say I tell us, say that country is dead and gone. Because the people you go put hope on, say they go feel rescue that country. They themselves needs rescue. The people who you go believe, say this people go feel speak, they go feel raise their voice to rescue the country. Those set of people need rescue. They themselves is already gone. They need rescue. Imagine after humiliating Okpewuru finish, is this still so low? Because Okpewuru, black people don't call her. It's too so low now. Now you can clap on for Okpewuru. Now you can even praise Okpewuru now for what they are going to gain. If you can't beat them, you join them. That's the system of Edo State now. If you can't beat them, you join them. You can be a fool and be loyal to become known, to be known, to lobby and eat with the people that matters in Edo State. Whereas you are a fool. Most of the people in Edo State now who are eating and dying with the government, they are fools. The people in power now, they are stupid. They are fools. The majority of the people in power right now, as we speak, that when people give appointment now, they are the real fool of Edo State. They are the real criminals of Edo State. They are the stark illiterate of Edo State. The real people are the real men, the real Benins. They are the Ogionba of Edo State. It shock you. The real Benins who will stand to take that Benin to the next level, make it a very peaceful place for people to live in with peace and harmony. Even though money never did, they are the Ogionba of nowadays. The real Ogionba now in Benin, they are in government house. They are eating and dying with the government. Some are inside the palace. Some they are inside the palace. Majority of Ogionba they are dying and one inside the palace. When you speak the truth, you become Ogionba. You will dine with them, wine with them. Live the kind of evil life, the atrocity life they are living. You become Osioba. You get the point now. It's just the way it is. The country is filled up with atrocity. The country is filled up with atrocity, with evil. Nobody want to speak. That's what are you doing? That's the latest music for them. That's the latest music. And that's where I go with that. You know, they put fear in your mind not to speak. Everybody want to quiet. Nobody want to speak the truth. If you speak the truth, That's the country we have now in Edo State. That's Edo State for you now. That's why they want to, and they tell you now, you will go build that for Edo State. Your job for you. You are your own. We're not back what you do. You are your own. Be careful. Do you understand? Be careful. Okpe man up my young Edo people don't get peace. When on the work. No one say why Edo people. They can survive in anywhere. Any condition they find themselves, they give thanks to God. When there is life, there is hope. That's what I do for you. Even though they say fire, we thank God. They go drink beer. I want you. That's what I do for you. The truth remains the same. Now, many of Edo people with this social media, and here, you see many of these so-called presenters, all these social media APC nuisance presenters, all those hungry fools, where they give 100,000 to, where they put for payroll every monthly payroll for government house, like the Bizugbe, Olakoko, iye-joy, lala. You understand? All those illiterate, all those who show women who use their platform to campaign for Okpeboro. They put them for monthly allowance every month. They pay them. Not them. Those ones, they clap and they follow nuisance. Just to give people feel like they're no governor, they're no deputy, they know this one. I don't have to know criminals. Yes, that's the truth. We don't need to know criminals. What I'm going to do with criminals? Now that they know me, I don't need to know them. Like when they were campaigning, when Iye-eki called me, Iye-eki was promising heaven and earth. Now so he will give me a loss, security loss. Now so Aproko go to guide me. Now so this one go to guide me. They think they are smart. When they need you to use your platform to campaign for them, they will promise you heaven and earth. I was like, see this one. This one, they look me like small picking. Because they see my face look like a woman. This have a small picking. I don't know if I sit down with that seat, I will pass you. I just look, he say, they promise heaven and earth. Pastor with the fee. A pastor with a thief. Pastor without no integrity. But brother, till today, don't nobody yo. I don't feel love, I swear to God. Ask me, say, that number see they go. That number when you take come so. You should say that number see they go. That number when you say you take come so. Call them where you go. The number where will take call now. That one no man now. The number where will take call, they beg, say, I beg use your platform where you go. The number where will take call now. That one no man now. The number where will take call, they beg, say, I beg use your platform. Now, needed your for you to use your say, I beg use your platform. Now, needed your for you to use your platform. I know they use my platform to deceive anybody. Do what makes you happy. I heard they say, "Man, give me $50,000." For not give me $50,000, now bim. As they win, so I think $20,000 come and that far. Oh yeah, we use to give away money and share or fair money don't come because I say our money. Don't understand? They do a car gun. Let's me call you my platform. Look them in Bizugbe. I was on even hoa. Now 100,000 they give them. Those are going to shot. APC must win. I don't go also. More people. I don't know say this people. They don't get future. They don't get future. They Benin now. Now the one where people will never campaign for them, then they put for post. Person like Destiny Bagwa. They don't give an appointment. You will use your platform, they share the campaign. So even if you get one people say, governor come a platform, come talk. They must get appointment. I don't mind drink. I want you. Even the coordinator, they never give appointment. Imagine Coordinator Taju Omoruyi, Mr. Honorable Taju Omoruyi, where they even a request for the chairman of OVIA, Deco Dennis Idahosa and his brother, with Dimofio Gyomba, Kolan to bring Big Bele, Odion Idahosa as chairman for OVIA. Competition enter. The people that are qualified for that seat, they don't go give them. They go give person, no person. Now they don't turn the position, they don't politics. APC, oh God. APC not talk to family inheritance. Put all your family there, put all your family. First feed your family first. What 2 years, right? Your 2 years, not 2 years. Put your brother for there. Your brother there. Which one go put your brother for there? That is it. That's the scenario now. Eddie Murphy, they do. Eddie Murphy gets position already. Take OKPAMEN position Eddie Murphy. Where they break gravel, those granite for those states. Now Eddie Murphy they in charge. This stupid Eddie Murphy this was that, but they shout. They use all the cover up. You know how much Eddie Murphy they make every boat? Kalo. For borrow pit where they go to break concrete for those states. Now this is bad idea. They get position by those states. Now the people that sit and speak the truth, they go be on. And those state is sinking. It is not only the politicians that did it too. The royalty also have hand in it. Go mark my word. And those state is sinking. It is not only the politicians. And those state is not having road today. It is not only the politicians. The royalty have hand in it. Person no person. Go to the time of Lucky Billion regime. What they kill Lucky Billion regime? Now palace. Lucky Billion regime. What they kill regime? Where we say road not day. Now so Lucky Stone. Now palace. But I go say on Lucky Stone. Is it lucky that really put the stone there? That's the question you should ask yourself. Ask yourself that question. What teacher says for water side? Teacher says we be say lucky Billion don't know if pursue. We be say that Oshobole come pursue one. That teacher starts Use Market Junction. Use Junction. That road supposed to be double lane. Go reach Okada. Go reach what do they call it? Ogbese. Now somebody they award and give. As I talk around, people will know the story. They know what when they talk. Yes. Now somebody they are what now lucky give that contract to. Now carry that road contract. Somebody carry street lights as a contract. When some of them misbehave, palace don't talk to them. No, nothing know why. He get why. He get why. Person don't want just talk. That's all. Person talk the truth. That's not arguing about. Palace chief for palace. Now the men of the carry the contract. They frustrate the country. They go now. Governor not the work. Governor pay homage to most of these things, most of all these palace, and they go use any country, any road. They will give palace. They will give this one. They will give this one. At the end of the day, they don't go do the road. There's Zambo money. They go chop money. Are we going to continue like this? Are we going to continue to be stupid? Are we going to continue to keep it quiet? Are we going to continue to keep it quiet? Say it is where, it is where, it is where. Our late mother Esther. Our late mother Esther. You know the contract where Esther carry? The road contract where Esther carry will not do. Late contract, the wife of Erojawa. During Lucky Billion regime. At the end of the day, the lucky man will never do. Lucky man will never do. Lucky man will never do. Who told you say lucky no will never do? Lucky will never do. The influence of the son of a chief in the palace. Many chiefs use that collect contracts. At the end of the day, no road is be done. The credit go to what? It goes to Lucky Billion. If road is not be done, the credit goes straight to Lucky Video. Lucky Mamuna, or Madonna, Ovie Big Man, Ovie Big Man. Now when I want to do it, or Madonna do it. After I want to do it, and when I get to do it, they do the ground. I'm a lawa, I'm a boy. Go and mark it. This will go worse. I've given my word to everybody now. Listen and listen very careful. Oh, this was exactly, you see this way God does this so. Exactly Lucky. Chief Pikin, they put Chief Pikin who paid loyalty to the palace. Even at there, Lucky was still jobbing the palace. The allocator was coming for the federal. Lucky still the job palace. The jobbing system. You now give the complete money. The complete money was supposed to give the palace. Lucky not give her. It was when the Oshobole called her. Now Oshobole called her. But after, see the money was supposed to come by surprise, by shock. He even sent on needed at that time. You get my points. So, a lot of things there. You see all these politicians, all these our governors, not be saying they choose to work to do things for those states. Now the people where they carry the contract from them, it just be like, now, Frank Victor don't understand how to take the great road. Because I know Beuru, and say, your excellency, sir, I want to carry the contract of from Ring Road, go reach of Bese. Ring Road, or Ring Road, Okada, just they go from Ring Road, go reach of Bese. Ring Road, or Ring Road, Okada, just they go to go reach Gobazoa. It's a new road. Across new road, you go Gobazoa, you understand? All those areas just they great and they go. Egg better, Utese, egg better. You understand? Go reach Ogbese River. I want to turn out to double lane. Tavad go Use Okoro. You understand? Go come out for this what is they call it? Go Gui. You understand? I want to do that. I want to do a double lane. How much go fit do one? I know how many billions they go award the money give me. Me, we don't know anything about road. I go say, okay, carry contractor. Oh yeah, when I enter road, want do road. This road, want do this road. How much they want to do? They give me 20 billion. Contractor go say, okay, give me 10 billion. I say, okay, what's going to happen? I'm going to take 5 billion. I'm going to start work. Where 5 billion reach, now there the road go for condemn. Even their caterpillar go for that road safe. No worry, government never award the money. Government never award the money. Government never award the money. Now so the money go there. Government fear not go let her come meet me because me now I be chief. Come when they say the work is not done. Government with the fear chief. Must they are afraid of palace. You understand? Now so that even the workers, the Niger cats, their caterpillar go rot for that place. 4 years go back, another 4 years to award they go still award the contract again. I do see it. Many things they will be say when they was the quarrel with the governor not they work, the governor they not be say governor release work out. The reason why you see Oshobole time changes day because Oshobole was walking with a two left leg with a khaki from gutter to gutter. And mind you, Oshobole is one of the dangerous criminals for those states. Most of the work Oshobole do now taxpayer money. Now Oshobole take work because Oshobole regime, Oshobole put more effort, more force for a dog body to use tax to work, to pay tax. And during Oshobole regime, it don't really pay tax. Already don't collect money better start. Revenue was always delivered. It don't really pay tax. Already don't collect money better start. Revenue was always delivered. Because Oshobole was if you misbehave, not PM for you. So everybody was working with Oshobole today. Money they fall out. Ordinary pure water they collect. He come out with said he used go for that reason they campaign Oshobole. No go for that reason. Yeri lack money. No more agbeu. Yeri lack money. He systemize agbeu. Et the John rien agbeu na buse. Oshobole, a bad guy. He bring boss come out. a boss in one of them. I want free bus, free school. So like boss like that. I had ticket yala boss. O ma de ticket we like boss in. Amuja yo nuru, amuja ye queue. Muja ko so le boss. In Edo State. Because now waiting a weakness before I come abroad. You understand? Or a many yao, many muna. Now so they keep people. A drillage is so to the power life. Drillage starting from Ekenwa Road in Asoro bus stop, that Asoro so. From Asoro, you channel the village, that village, you use that village, cross Okasoro, the side of Agbonifo Church. It cross it bridge tie under that Agbonifo Church. That road so before Frankie's Hotel, that road so that I do for your whole day inside ground there. It trying to go enter Ogba River because Ogba River they there. That river they go straight to Ogba for Ugbebuya community. Carry and go the most of Ugbebuya community. Where go to Ogba River. They come from there. They carry they go Ewotubu under power line. Ewotubu from Ewotubu cross to Uwelu. Uwelu they go Adolo. Ogbelu vulele ya. Uwanu mano vunigbele. You know how many people that rocky, which is as he bring his successor, which is a basic, is supposed to continue from there. Basic now for you. Oh, sorry. Wahala. You there abroad, my guy. The money where you take go build 4 flats for Nigeria. If you save that money, you go build 3 bedroom. You go buy 3 bedroom for the country where you dey. Believe it. You go use that money buy 3 bedroom. You don't be tenants for abroad. You get 4 flats for Nigeria. You are a fool. Get sense. And they tell you, you cannot be investing in a country where you're not staying. Country whereby the economic there is depreciating. Economic here is increasing. So, common sense is not common. You build a house in Africa, you are a fool. You don't get sense. And not someone not build though, and Africa they build. I'm not normal because it depends on the country where the city the state where for come. But for those who know you come from the state where for come in those states. So you want to go build us. Oyepa or you for you. Many see this one where you slap about now. Where Obaseki don't collect your demolish your ass. Collect her for your before. If not, we say the one way on it and I call favor for Okroma community, where Obaseki collect many of their lands. So imagine say another person come in, you see signed, put that legacy, say yes, Obaseki, that hustle, that long we collect a reality. Continuity. It don't finish for you, bro. Now, because another government went and bam, it favor you because no work for her. But that man land when Obaseki collect so that land on my own, see people every okay, no worry. Yes, after when I release that land for her. Now so it be. Maybe the last day people yes, let's agree to her. And this man I slap about for you kill. Or I say because about called the trauma to you. Now I help you slap about. Oh, my brother, thank you very much. I saw this slap you slap about. It was a very nice slap. That's good. I heard that you said this useless man, Obaseki, collect your land. Okay, don't worry. Where's the land investor? Where are you? What's your name? Tell him your name and let him give you the paper. The land is yours, okay? What will happen, sir? Everybody in the community give them their land. That is the country where we are coming from. That's how things play there. Now, beer parlor for the next decision. Edo State, it's too sweet. If you follow Edo people will be Agberu, Waka, that guy go sweet you die. Now, beer parlor they will decide everything. If they want buy you now, beer parlor they want make the decision. What you love? Afa. Amen. Anyway, I go with us or one bra. Afa. Is the chair? Oh, at all. I'm off you give me like. The body off you give me up or one bear, yes, or chair up my hair water. That's the country where we are coming from. If you talk truth, you get problem. Edo State, you talk truth for Edo State, you get problem. It's a dead country, dead state you can never think of to invest. To invest. Hey, are you boy yoro? My advice to the Edo people, where they are abroad, the one with their house, may God help them. You understand? The one with their house, they understand the house. They understand the house. They understand how to cope with the way of the house. So they're not too much to get problem for house. Now where they are abroad, they think they touch. You know why they think they touch now? Because now they know where on a day, you know where things they go here, how peaceful this place is, and how things they work here. So now they use this place, they compare on a house. And they see the house they eat anyhow. So they think they definitely touch now, definitely pain us. But in the man's sense, my sister, don't worry yourself, don't stress yourself over what is happening in Nigeria. If I open my phone, see things where they say for me, Esme, this one, fire, this one. Oh boy, my head goes to Jesus. Then when I talk about this one, you know, I mean, I'm talk about this. Because me even talking about it sometimes, I say, this one shame and disgrace to my whole state, Edo State. This one shame. Are you lock up? You go can? Are you lock up? So yeah, now every time they talk about my states, because they solve my states, I don't chill. Like this is what I thought about this old Igbidejo. This Igbidejo, when I don't hear this Igbidejo, it don't play to my ear. Now when I can get this video, that's okay. Let me bring this video out. Not be when they call me, umenwan, you know from Ovia. So they have for Ovia, you don't really talk about them. You know from you be like Usena. Usena me for come. That one you today one come now. Usena you today one come now. I never even talk about that one. Yeah, because I know I hope that one on my house. I know what else talked about, but I just the observe. Maybe when you just pass, be careful. I also continue to throw away. Maybe they don't say what did they do. Person they know. You understand? I just the observe. They go use their brain. They're supposed to know so they get person with the media. We stop with the media. We don't nonsense. Then you go see fool. If you don't fool don't watch with. I'll come pull of the command. You go hear the. We go know the atrocity. Una their position and know the right to do and where. The way they talk about palace. Who say oh just day young now? Who say oh just day? Our palace for who say that one just a day. A lot of things just they suck for there. A lot of things just they suck for there. But nobody they bring and they come out. Nobody said all the year. But I'm going to come out the Spanish. I just the local. Just the local. You get why? You understand? Just the local. Bro! Nigerians. I have typhoon. If there's me open and talk, we don't come like they open our yansh for outside. When they open our yansh for outside. Now they cover mass they lock up for some issues. And then when involve royalty, or this palace of a thing. You understand? Because I got look at, I don't study to their extent that these politicians, their target is to bring down the power of palace. Because they know so this palace get power. This royalty, so they get power, say that they control. Royalty, they get massive power where they control. In the sense that anybody will palace pull her for a back. Bros, forget that person they come out the flag color. That person they come out the flag color. So that's the reason why you see most of these politicians, they want to bring down the palace. That power where they palace, so that royalty, they want to bring her down. Small. So if you be live video presenter, you be blogger, you don't use your brain. Before you go to insult your house, you don't go down. Politicians are ready to give you money, everyone just to talk bad against palace. So you need to be smart to use your brain. Because if you don't say me not smart, you for worse pass for your face. I'm telling you. And for worse pass for your face. The offer when they don't offer me. Okay, just like day 4 years dinner. I just do my own, they send me video. They send me record. Because they don't call me, I don't give the answer, I'm not listening. They will tell you, I don't hear you. So that's why you're cut off for their ear. The people when they don't talk rubbish. When they don't talk, it don't make sense my ear. I don't want to use my ear, hear no sense. I just cut off. So the best thing, they go play voice record, they go forward it on WhatsApp. I you play them. You go play, it's not go play finish, I just boom. Because before I say that you don't invest me, I just boom. But I need to come and call the disgrace them, they call the corpus, they call the sagari. No, I don't leave them, me already as well. They will not say a boy now, you cannot know why. Me here, what here keep confusing me. You know, I tear body around. That's one thing you know. You cannot confuse me that way. That's why you want to give me this money. You want to give me for me to call and insult my father. You understand? That one I'm certain. If my father ever do with it wrong, I know the way I'm going to correct them. Yes, nobody is perfect. I know how to correct them. So if you watch the video where I do, you say yes, that's my son. You will retrieve his step. You don't know anybody I will behave. Nobody will come and they talk to my parent her. Way before you insult my papa. Who won't come respect my father like that again? I don't open road for enemy to enter my father's house. I speak with guesses. You want to talk to palace. You talk to palace with respect. Not with anger. Then go hear your word, they go take your words, okay. I want to be attack. Because most of the things when you go to talk, they know say the truth they inside. Yeah, we want and wait, even with for you to be bold to say it out on media. That's the fear. But they knew that what you are saying is the truth. They will say, why will you say it? We're tired. But because you know you have proof of what you are saying, you cannot just come out and be throwing man to palace anyhow without you don't have proof of what you are saying. Or you can feel you, isn't that the palace? There are some people you can talk to. We talk about palace. There are some people in that palace you can talk to directly. You get my point now? Because some of our talk here, they sanitize palace. I'm telling you guys the truth. They sanitize palace. Do you know how many chiefs in the palace have been suspended throughout this year? Out of the 30 and 50 chiefs, that one, others will not join them. Not the one you see on media. I'm not talking about the one you see on social media. Without social media, if they tell you how many chiefs that have been suspended without social media, you go, hey. Wait till they bring them come. Wait till they put them for problem. Now this says social media when you do so. It is when you say it with proof and respect. The Benin tradition also look into your issue. What you say. They will invite the chiefs. How come? How come? Before you know what they got the problem. They have a problem. I am a camera there. Do you know how many chiefs they drink water every month? You don't know. Which I can't say that they drink water. But normally I for Benin say because of some things going on the top of social media. Palace don't come and say, where so man? No, they will not tell you. But they are watching you. They are watching you. They are taking your words. Especially when they know say you, they always stand for truth. We want to worry. We want to bad man. You know they take bribe. They stand for your word. But when you come because those ones always say na gaba gebe. If they give you smart, about anything they do not see where palace don't they see you. They give you money, you collect. They give money. They don't already know. Say, no, are you going about Gunu? They'll cover your money of it talk. We are going to say, I will call them well, we can read them. No, can't talk about them. No, I will be. I will go again. That's what they look you. That's why you see money for our presenter who are supposed to stand firm, speak the truth. But because of small thing, how much they will give you 100,000 or 200,000? How is they give you 1 million? Before your integrity, you don't get respect. Again, nobody wants to send you. You only talk as well. I mean, if I see them and they insult me for social media, I only laugh. You know why? I see them say, in America, they don't know what they are doing. They think social media is just to catch cruise, get the money for Facebook, get the money, get the cash from, get the money enter us. No. It is more than that. Most of the things we are saying It's for the betterment of our country. Because if we don't keep on this action, they're not going to adjust. Now, this action will make them adjust, make them not say, because most of them where they Europe, if you know how much they contribute to that to Edo State every month, if you know how much money, if you know how much, go ask Obaseki. Obaseki will tell you how much the diaspora people they contribute to Edo State. The people back home does not contribute half of it. How much they come from abroad, the entire Edo State, not be government own, not be federal own, diaspora people alone. You know how much the entire Edo State from diaspora people, individually when they send they go house, the development will up for us. So if we begin to the sick on our head, now they begin to open our brain. No, so you people, they are fooling you people. They're supposed to respect now. Edo State people living back home, they are fooling the diaspora people in abroad. When you guys wise, now go no see what you know when they talk now truth. But for now, no when they create content, I will not go to say now for now mind that content they create. They tell me the reality. But this people doesn't care about you guys. Una want to bring money come every month, bring money come. If you want that me, buy land for Nigeria, me not go ask. For 3 years, you can't make that land like that again. If your mama know the two cassava farm for there, your brother they go to check the land every day. Go back to that land if you go meet that land for there for 3 years. No, sir, not be man. Challenge me anywhere. Tell me any community where you go buy land for those states. 3 years, leave the land, not work for the land. You cost me the land for there. No day. Unless your family, they go check the land. As we speak now, buy land. Then you challenge me when you talk like. You know many people abroad here, they frustrate the land. Nigerian people, they frustrate their life. Many people they don't buy land more than 4 times. Today they don't see land. They're sick, they're tired of building house in Nigeria. They decide to give it up. You see person want build house for go buy ticket, go to Nigeria by self. Lack of trust. Now person cry come mass. Which community here? Maybe community for Opa. Cry come mass say erosion for fence. House where they don't stay. Fence erosion for land. They want build the fence back. They say they can't pay development fees. 500,000, $500,000. The person did the video. I saw the video on social media. Many of you now go see the video. For Opa, the guy was going crazy. The guy was asking, how do we get here? The guy was asking, how do we get it? The guy said, he said, very soon, the person die. The one who buried the person for your house. Before the person go dig grave for ground for your house, they go say, come pay the development fees. I was just laughing. Seriously, that is the rate we are today because now they don't sell land finish. Land don't finish for those states. If this was how our father sold land, we will not see say. Even the leadership can't even talk about. They can't even think. They can't even think what's going on. They can't think. You know, what I'm thinking, and they don't think about it. They have to sell land, bring development fees, pay homage. Imagine most of the chiefs in the palace, they have community, they have 1 by 2, 2 by 2 lands. Before they make you a no-gain in the community, they will tear land, give them. They'll first remove palace own first. They'll first measure palace land. The community. Where are we using it for? No development, no company in those states. Nothing. Nothing. Bro, until we wake up, especially the diaspora people now wake up, now we know where it belongs to that Edo state. From Edo, we are doing. Edo they kill you, they go. I test you. I'm not going to build that for Benin, if you go build us, that's your choice. You see anything you see, you take on. And for those of you that go house this December, you're on your own. If they kidnap you, you call the diaspora people. Or we'll see a video for social media, we'll send down. I test you. When I go to shock you, if you flight, you want to use flight, go out. If you just reach Lagos, take on that flight of Benin. If they're not kidnapping for airport safe, even the airport is not safe. The airport is not secure. Airport where they pass from Gbebu, you're going to kill rabbit for inside plane. Not be joke. You understand? No security in those states. Insecurity in those states. So it's what he promised Edo people. I'm going to give you security. That's what I'm going to promise Edo people when he was campaigning. And that's what he's giving to Edo people now. So nobody should blame him. You know? So it's medulla indeficiency, according to Mr. You know? See, my brain is like a 10-year-old baby. So how do you expect a 10-year-old baby to rule a country, a state like Edo State? It's going to be difficult. Yes, it's going to be difficult. Yeah, we'll always criticize him. Definitely we'll criticize him badly, bitterly, until he's doing the right thing. Until he start doing the right thing. If we only put up a body with two. Because that's just the way it is. You get my point now. Well, that's all. Oh, you're not going for. Now, I want to get down. Let's come straight down to Eddie Murphy and Isoken, Emily Ogbe. They want to share this video. We'll give them. Please share this video. Please share this video. Very important. Share the video, share the video, share the video, share the video, share the video. Did I do anything bad? So people don't just like me.
Who turned the hands of time?
Anna,
You see that burning when I get right from time?
when you are fat,
Tell my body test.
Salubo. When you are fat, oh Jesus, God have mercy. Some people pregnancy not feed them. You'll get many records. Many people. Many records. Many records. Hey God, I don't state don't be here. But inside there, so respect to all their sons and daughters in the diaspora. Now me the respect to it's not easy. But now we come abroad, come work. Used to totally work. Balance madam finish, come take builders. Use and carry your family, come abroad. And God will bless you, it's not easy. Be not get sister, we used to totally work, carry me come abroad. Now hustle come abroad. Do. I use my leg work, that's how your brother go see carry your money. We used to do anyhow. Not easy for our women for abroad though. I'm not clap for them first. All those women will carry their family. When I clap on herself and I look. Oh, this one go play, this one come out. I first see this music since. This topic today, we saw the chopper small. We'll prepare this music first. All right, nice one. Nice one. I want to say nice one. You gotta try. I don't understand. What is this soft for that Benin? One call. One call. Guys, I'm gonna share this video. We are going to that bash phase 2. Wow, big boy. No when you gbé your cow. We are going to phase 2. Move first post the move first. Move take this one sharp as they hot to go down very. You know the start. You know the story now. Wait to come for room for me. Me I go to phase 2. Why is it not showing, man? Why is this phase 2 not showing? I need to show you guys something. There's something I need to show you guys. You understand? Something I need to show you guys. There's something I need to show you.
Even the people, even all those old.
There's something I need to show you guys. There's something I want to show you guys. Just hold on. Let me see. Okay, it's show. Okay. Before I go show you, let me read first. I think I should read Special Night of Answer, Friday, 5th December 2025, 8 p.m. till dawn. Power Ground Chapel. Okay, that's the name of the church. Power Ground Chapel. Power Ground Chapel. Divine Conference Assembly International at Abego Town along Benin Aproko Road, Orion Local Government, Edo State. Right now, His Grace Archbishop Dr. Benson Nusahari. Yako zoom kiri. Mikina na benye. We had minina. Let me first save this picture for Yako zoom kiri. Mikina na benye. We had minina. Let me first save this picture for Zuma. You know, let me zoom. I'm read for go. They do have, you know, I'm not a good person. I'm not a lie to the. That's why I do so. I see they help people without. No, they pay me put. Abi, it's good so that I will see the Christian, the gospel ministry. You understand? Will help them do advert free. Not be waiting they collect money put. More than a year now. Not be waiting they collect money put. Not to the live money. I tell you now, my fans. More than say they do something free. You understand? Not say me I'm a Christian, and I God they use me. I do something free for people. These pastors now they don't send me. They don't send me over. Something they worry me. I want you to do it for free for them because I'm now God things. You understand me now? Now God things. I want you to do free advert for them. They don't tell me thank you. No, they don't tell me thank you. They don't tell me thank you for the comment section. I want to do a free advert. They don't tell me thank you. I don't want to be like this. Okay, if I the saga, then I'm from the saga person. I want to do advert free. They don't tell me thank you. So yeah. Okay, if I the saga, then I'm from the saga person. I want to do advert free. They don't tell me thank you. So yeah. No, you tell me thank you for the comment section. Nobody want to tell me thank you. I'm doing free advert. Nobody want to tell me thank you. Okay, they said, okay, this man said thank you. Oh, sweet mommy queen. God bless you. Only one tell me thank you now. And do me, I do advert for them. Now, I build their picture. This, what to do. All of us now wanna what to do. Don't show. If the picture not stay, that will not be my fault. Oh, the picture cut into two. Never like the way the picture they show. The picture cut into two. Not show where. Oh my God. Special night of answer. Picture cut to 12. I wish the picture show full. My picture now landscape, not be portrait. The picture is landscape, not be portrait. That's why it show like this. That will show now on my phone here. I believe I will not see the special night of answer. It's done on the 5th of December. Now see 2008 p.m. till dawn. Now see power ground. Now see. Now get the point now. At least I try now.